Hello. Hello, everyone. Happy Friday, guys. Happy Friday. Kokiri, hello. Same goes for you. I hope you're doing well. I did adjust some of my audio settings for my mic earlier today with the help of a friend. So please do let me know if I sound a bit too soft, a bit too quiet, if you have any trouble hearing me at all. That sort of feedback would be really helpful, of course. But yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to another Requiem stream. We're likely gonna be finishing the first playthrough. I'll likely be finishing my first playthrough tonight. So, I'm excited to see how the story ends. Yeah. Ian's defeated by Xeno's special abilities, but Grace's quick thinking allows them to escape. Yeah, last we left off, Leon helped Grace enter the facility, the ARK facility, and now she's going to explore it and maybe possibly see if we can find like a cure for Leon.
Just beyond here.
Cause Leon is in really bad shape right now, and he needs help. So we'll see what we can find here.
Warning. Threat level orange. Confirmed in storage sector. Critical error.
So far, audio sounds good. Okay, thank you. Oh! Holy shit. Oh my god, okay. That was good. That got me good. Jesus Christ. As long as we're quiet, they won't find us. I know their weakness. Look at those. Look at the booty cheeks, though. Oh. No, don't come this way. Gotta be super quiet here. Please don't get up. Please don't get up. Please don't get up. Oh, Shape. Thank you for the 100 biddies. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate that a lot. Your last 100 bits. Oh, well, thank you. Oh. I'm gonna wait for them to turn around and then grab that bottle. There's a safe here too. Huh! Grace, what the fuck? Careful. I'm gonna use the bottle here. Okay. We're good. I'm gonna be crouch walking everywhere. I'm afraid of making any noise. Okay, that just leads back here. Leads back around. No, Stray, shut up. Shh. Hey, is TTS working? Hold on. TTS? Disabled? Why was it disabled? Hold on.
They are over here.
Oh.
Come quick.
There we
They
go.
are getting away.
Stray, you're supposed to be on our side. What are you doing? Traitor. I played around with my mic settings earlier today. Please let me know if I sound a bit too quiet. Let me know if I'm too quiet. As you can see, we now have liquors. We've got liquors to worry about. As long as I move slowly here, they won't notice me. But oh, the liquors are your favorite variety of the zombies? What do you like about them? Is it their design? A bottle of acid. Effective against enemies with exposed tissue. Oh. If you break a bottle of acid, the contents will disperse into the surrounding area. Noted. Oh shit. No. Ow. Fuck. Oh, they heard that. Oh shit! Oh no! Oh, goodbye. Ooh. Damn. I made way too much noise in there. I wasn't sure if they'd enter the room, but yeah, now we know.
Okay,
They most certainly do.
just beyond here.
The first, yeah, they are the very first mutation of the standard zombie that we see in the game. In the older games, at least. And I like the strategies. I like that there's varying strategies that you have to
Warning.
utilize
Threat level orange.
to deal with
Confirmed in
the different
storage
varieties of
sector.
undead.
Critical error. Containment lockdown failure.
It's nice that Capcom has so many different animations for each enemy type. Yeah! It makes them all feel so unique. Hello, Block. Fuck, that got me again. Hello, Block. Hello, welcome. Ah. I'm good, I'm good. How about you?
Can't see.
But yeah, they put so much work into the animations for each enemy. Just finished your interview. Congrats. How'd it go? How'd it go? Hope you get the job. I actually had a job interview earlier in the week too. I think it went really well. I'll likely be hearing back from them sometime next week. So, one thing I'm still unsure of is how to actually make use of the knife when you're playing as Grace. Did they actually say that? Isn't that discrimination? At that doesn't sound right. That's definitely not something that they should be telling you, or at least, or even practicing. HR fired that manager. What? Like right there while you were still like taking part in that interview? It's so weird. Yeah, that's not okay. Nikki Stray. That is discrimination. 100%. Yeah. Well, I'm sorry that you had that experience. It's not okay. There's an herb here I want to pick up. Just walk past. Take that. Be careful to avoid the glass. Yeesh. Okay, good. Yeah, it's not okay to say things like that. But regardless, I do hope that you get the job. Wishing you all the best. Need a key. Need a key card. Here we go. Gotta be extra careful about dealing with the zombies in here. Although I wonder if the liquor will attack the zombies. Kinda doubtful about that though. Well, references definitely help. But I found that most places I apply don't ask for references any longer. So it's not as important. But if you have them, they can be helpful for sure. Most important thing, of course, is experience. Hang on, this is kind of a tense moment. 8 references, nice. That's a lot. Just gonna try and juke them over here. Maybe I can bait them over here so I can deal with them without the lickers hearing. Although, I don't know just how sensitive their hearing is. Hopefully they can't hear this far away. Well, I think they heard that. Oh yeah. Okay. We're alright though. How's the game going so far? It's a bit late to ask that, don't you think? But it's good. Good as always. We're very close to the end now. I do believe I'll be finishing my first playthrough tonight. Alright, I think we're good to shoot here. Those lickers should be far enough out of earshot now. Oh, they still heard that. Wow. Okay. Just kill me. Just kill me. So I just want to die. I cannot risk shooting at all. No matter how far away I am, they're gonna hear me. It's crazy. Okay. It makes sense though. They do have super hearing to make up for the fact they're blind. Why are you sorry? There's nothing to be sorry for. Throw something? Yes. I don't know if they'll attack each other, but it's worth trying. Sorry, just I guess a little pet peeve of mine. I do not like it when people apologize for missing streams. It is not that important. It is not something to be sorry for. Please don't. Please do not apologize. Hello, Heshu. I do not like it when people apologize for missing streams. because it is not worth apologizing for. If someone is getting upset at you for missing a stream, I would not come back. That's just me. Anyone worth following, anyone worth spending time with will not get upset if you don't show up.
Can't see.
Just my 2 cents. If they banned you for missing a stream, trust me, you're better off not being there. Also, hold on. I'm having extreme nerve pain again. Okay, I'm good. Not these things. Yep, these things. The liquors are here. I don't think there's a single Resident Evil game that does not feature liquors. All right. Okay. I want to test this out. If I throw that bottle at that zombie, will the liquor attack it? They... Oh, there they are. Oh my god. This is such an impossible situation. Yep. That didn't work at all. Okay. Which one was it? Okay.
Warning. Threat level orange. Confirmed in storage sector. Critical
There goes
error.
that idea.
Containment lockdown failure.
Can't see.
I didn't die, I just reloaded. Oh. There we go. Does that work? Oh. Hemolytic injectors are effective. Good to know. Okay. How do I want to go about this? What if I do something like this? Don't notice me, don't notice me. Shit. Oh. Nope. Just gotta back up slowly. I think what I can do is lure them this way and then go around. Head back into that office, grab what I need, and then get out. Dunk that liquid on a liquor? I could, but I'd rather save it. I might need it more later on. I tend to be rather conservative when it comes to using items. Okay. You should be fine now. Although they will come back here eventually. So we gotta move fast. I'm gonna have to loop them around. Come on. Yeah, this way. That's right. Come on. Oh, shit. Oh. We took a hit, but that's alright. We'll be fine. Kidding me? This goes to the dump control room. Bun to 3 with that acid. What are you referring to? What? I'm sorry? Also, please no backseating. If I need help, I will ask for it. Yeah, what do you mean bun? Bun to 3. What does that mean? You want me to waste the acid on the zombies? I don't think that's a good idea. It's a good thing I'm not listening to you. Yeah, no backseating.
All right, Leon.
Always thought
Be
those
careful.
ones looked like funky frogs. Yeah,
I need to get going too.
I can see that. Won't be able to climb. Oh. Oh, okay, I get it. I get it.
Nice.
Nice. You're wasting too many resources. Yeah, if you play the way you're advising me to play, then you probably are. I'm sorry, what? What did you just say? Here we go. Here we go. Exactly, Luna. And I don't think I even need to use it right now. I'd rather save it for later. Hi, hi. There we go. What goes here? Find a way to open the door. Okay.
Threat level red in storage sector. Rebooting AI control center. Noah.
Threat level red? No way.
Oh no.
Oh, nar. Nar. Can you craft more? Is there a recipe for acid? Maybe. Maybe there is, and I haven't discovered it. Oh. Speak of the devil. There it is. Can. What does it take? 80 blood and an empty bottle. Okay. Noted. Access log, 51st assembly minutes. Checking database access request. The following data was found. Minutes of the 51st assembly meeting as transcribed by AI Control Center. The state. We heard the key, Grace Ashcroft, has finally been found. It's been 28 years since we occupied ARK. Are you sure she's the one? C. Without a doubt. Must be Zeno. Without a doubt. There is no need to worry. More importantly, don't you think your withdrawal from the treaty is too blatant? It's a bluff. The United States is, and always will be, at the center of the world. The BSAA are fully under our control as well. Are there any changes in product supply? ARK's factory automation is constantly evolving. I believe that's enough for today. We can discuss further while we view the products. Yeah. I typically don't want to use items unless I absolutely have to. That's just typically how I play these kinds of games. But still, good to know I can craft more. If I had known that, I probably wouldn't have been so hesitant to use it back there. Sterilization chamber safe. Ooh. 109020. Okay. I'm gonna head back and open that safe. This place has been running ever since the city got bombed? Yeah. Even before then. It's been kept online for so many years. Even though all the personnel were either evacuated or killed at some point. So it seems almost entirely deserted, but they've still kept the facility online. Even though Umbrella is no longer active, a lot of the facilities are still functional. Even though they've ceased operations. Alright, so where was that safe again? It was in here, right? Is this the one I'm looking for? Let's check. 10 right, 90 left, 20 right. Wait, what was that? 10. Let me try that again. 10 to the right, 20 or 90. Okay, and 20. Nice. Why are the residents so evil for a Requiem? Good question. We don't know. I don't think that's the way. Here we go. And down the stairs here. Okay. So I will consider using acid here. For now, let's see if we can avoid it. And take a quick sip. Hydrate. Hear that? That was very loud. It will alert them? Apparently not. It doesn't seem like it did. Although you think it would. So that was quite loud. But they do appear to remain docile. Stretch break? Already? Okay, I'll take a little stretch break. It's been about an hour. Why not? Get up and stretch. Do a little stretch. If you've been sitting down for a while, it'll do you good. I lost tracking. Hello, model. Wake up. What's wrong with my model? I'm stuck. Why am I frozen? What the hell's going on? There we go. Weird. Alright, thank you for the stretch. Ouch. Man, hi Min. Hello, hello. We're gonna finish tonight. Yeah. I think so. Well, yeah, I'm gonna keep going for as long as it takes to beat the game tonight. I want to finish this playthrough. Yeah. Right now I'm trying to be stealthy. Shoutouts for Min. Shout out Minora. Check out my friend Minora. Crystal Snake VTuber. Very, very cool. Super awesome VTuber. Oh, yeah. I was having some trouble with them earlier because the place I needed to go had some zombies. And I either had to avoid them entirely or shoot them. But I quickly discovered that shooting them would attract the lickers and create even more problems. So I just found a way to avoid it. Yeah. And I figured getting their attention is going to be even more problematic on Insanity. So I just want to get used to avoiding them now. Oh, they can attack zombies. Well, look at that. I didn't think that would work. I tried it before and nothing happened. Shit. Oh my god. Holy shit. That was too close. Use a zombie to kill a zombie. Does that count with lickers too? Does the game classify them as zombies? How would you get a zombie to attack another zombie, though? So, hold on. Let me scroll up in chat. Good thing they can't see, or we'd be dead? Yeah. It's a good thing. Definitely. Only one way to find it out. Find what out? Hmm? Okay, okay. It's genuinely so silly. I see. Wonder how you do it. Since I aggroed this one, we're gonna go ahead and try and loop them. I think I can juke them here. Maybe not. Might be a little more difficult. Can do it here though. With the girl and another blind zombie in the place. Another blind zombie? There's another blind zombie? I didn't know about that. But yeah, I'll just wait for Min to tell me after I finish the game. So I know how to do it on my second playthrough. I feel like I'm playing Metal Gear Solid. The way I'm sneaking around. The zombies that hold the hospital IV? Eh? I don't know. I'd have to see what you're talking about. Oh shit. Here. Oh no. Okay, we're dead. I have no idea. Damn. Rip. The normal zombies make it very difficult. Okay. I guess we're back at the very start since I did not save. Hi Moon, how are you?
Warning. Threat level orange. Confirmed in storage sector. Critical error. Containment lockdown failure.
It's all good though. How are you, Moon? Alright.
Let's see.
We can kill this one easily. Yeah, I have a better idea of what I need to do now. It's good to know that I can craft bottles of acid too, so I can use them more liberally. Also get that liquor to maybe fight the zombies in that room. Could help. Oh, I think I know what to do. So let's bait them out here. Let's aggro the zombies. That didn't get their attention. We're here. Hello. There we go. One sec. Here we go. Let's hope that works. No? Oh. Okay. I guess they're not interested. Huh. So, quick question. Does the acid just outright kill the liquors? Or does it weaken them? Forgot. Yeah, he forgot how to get down. It kills them. Okay. In that case... I'm gonna kill this one. Bam! Take that. Alright. And we get some blood back. Nice. Now for you. One thing I haven't figured out how to do is attack with a knife when you're playing as Grace. Because you can't even equip it. So, I don't know what the controls are for that. Anyone know? How do you attack with your knife? It's space? Oh. I have to hold space. Okay. Alright. Good to know. Thank you. Gotta get that recipe to craft the acid. Oops. Hi, kitties. Hi, Moon's kitties. Meow meow. Meow meow meow. You changed your keybinds? Oh, I see. Hi, Moon cats. Yeah. There we go. Let's go back down. Down to override. Grab the other key we need. And then keep moving forward.
All right.
Pets and forehead smooches
Not
for the
dead yet.
kitties. Yeah. Pets and scritches. We'll just sneak past this one. That is so smart. Yeah. That's such a smart idea. And what I've been doing this whole time is just turning the knives I get into scrap without even using them. It's not the best use. But now that I actually know how to use the knives, I'll make better use of them. There's a lot to learn with this game. Absolutely.
All right, Leon. Be careful.
I was helping a friend of
get
mine
going,
out
too.
earlier today, helping them figure out what to do.
Nice.
It was their very first experience with Resident Evil. Also, I'm having a little flare up again, so I might go quiet here. I think they might still be playing. Do I plan on trying different outfits or skins for my second playthrough? Yeah, actually about that, I was going to be installing a bunch of silly mods for my Insanity playthrough. I'm going to do another playthrough of this offline just to get all the achievements and unlock as many things as possible. And then I'm going to stream my Insanity playthrough and get like all the silly mods I can find, like the bicycle mod or the Shrek mod. There's a lot of really funny mods out there. So that's the plan. Yeah. It's going to be a heavily modded Insanity run. Although I'm not gonna get any like gameplay mods, of course, because I want the experience to be as genuine as possible. But gonna get a lot of cosmetic mods. No, there's no need for mods, but I want them. Because I think it would be funny to see, like, Grace getting chased around by Shrek. Or the alien, the xenomorph. Yeah. Yeah, Thomas the Tank Engine Spiders. Alright. We will save here. Let's put that away for now. I'll take the bottles out. Crafting med injector. Let's put that away. And that. I don't know if I'll need any lockpicks, so I'll put away the lockpicks for now as well. Yeah, I saw the CJ mod too. Lots of funny mods out there. I'll have to see what I can find. You've got a friend who has major arachnophobia. Dang. I saw a mod that replaces the spiders with, like, what was it? Like frogs or something? Some other critter? For those that have issues with arachnophobia. Forgot what it was they were replacing them with. But yeah, there's a mod to replace the spiders. Oh, it was rats. They replaced the spiders with rats. And then like a giant rat for the boss. Which I think is pretty fitting. It's fairly lore accurate. Aside from all the spider webs. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, we did a save. Here we go. Yeah, props to your friend for getting through it. For overcoming their fear.
Noah.
Sure, it must have been difficult for them.
Oh, no.
Okay. What's the recipe? Do I have the safe? Okay, I want to go and get the safe too. We're gonna head back up and get that real quick before we move on. Definitely not playing without the spider replacement mods from now on. Fair enough, fair enough. Well, since they've beaten the game, they've definitely earned the right to use the mods now. Just to make it not so much of a harrowing experience. 10, 90, 20. Okay. 10, 90, 20. Alright. Cool. Wonder if they have multiple endings in this, like they do in the other games. Guess we'll see. Alright, we're back here. The 7th one? I think, if I remember correctly, doesn't Village also have more than one ending? Maybe there's a few others that also have different endings. I don't remember. Let's distract those lickers. Quite a few. Yeah. I just don't remember which ones specifically. But I think Village did. And I know 7 did for sure. Oh, you're gonna come this way? Really? That was too close. Right behind me. Wow. Come on, kill him. Damn. I'm trying to aggro that zombie. Also, I'll tell you again for the second time, Heshu. Please do not backseat or give tips unless I ask for it specifically. I will not tell you again. Last warning. Please be respectful of my rules. We're gonna try and aggro this one. Go. It's okay. Just please avoid doing that again in the future. If I need help, I will definitely ask for it. It's crazy how they make a beeline to you. Alright, let's reload. I'll be right back, actually. I'm gonna take a quick bio break. Be right back. The Critical Role? You know, I've actually never seen Critical Role, but I've heard it's really entertaining. Heard a lot of good things about it. It's basically it's basically a show about people playing D&D, right? That's all I know about it.
Storage sector. Rebooting AI control center. Noah.
Caffeine and ADHD don't mix. Oh yeah? Does it make you too hyper? For me, I find that coffee helps me calm down and focus. It makes you all jittery and lose sleep. Oh no. Maybe it would be best to avoid having it then? In one of their sci-fi D&D campaigns, they used the term biobreak. And in the game dispatch that they in the game dispatch. Oh, dispatch the game? Oh. I didn't know they worked on dispatch. Oh. I thought that was one of the projects that I thought it was from the people that made games like The Walking Dead or The Wolf Among Us. The Telltale people. Oh. I see. Alright, here we go again. But yeah, this was really cool. I watched several different playthroughs of that. Quite a few of the VAs are regulars in Critical Role. Oh. Ooh. How many seasons of the show are there? Still need to play Dispatch? You watch so many people play it. Yeah, so I actually wanted to play it too, but I figured because I've seen it played through so many times, I've already at least almost fully experienced it just through others vicariously. So it's like I just kind of considered it not worth it because of that. I feel like I've already experienced the entire story multiple times. But I do know that I do know they're going to work on the sequel. So I will likely play that, and hopefully I can avoid spoilers this time around so I can enjoy it myself. Yeah. Thank you for the follow. Hope you enjoy your stay. And but yeah, even if you know the story, you know everything that's going to happen, it could still be fun playthrough on your own. At the moment, Dispatch has one season. The Deluxe Edition gives you comics that unlock with each episode. Oh, I didn't know about that. They didn't expect it to be so well received, yeah. But people loved it. It really blew up. So I think a lot of people would love to see a season 2. So hopefully that is something they are considering, if not already. We'll get past this part eventually. I'm sorry it's taking me so long. That zombie will be coming back this way any moment. Hi. Let's go around this way then. Did they not hear that? Huh. Come on, get him. What? Okay. That's kind of annoying. The AI of the lickers is very inconsistent. There is no way they didn't hear that. They just completely ignored the bottle breaking. What? I think I got cheated. Huh? How do they not hear that? Are you serious? What the fuck? How is that a bad idea? Explain to me how that's a bad idea. Baiting the lickers over to kill the zombie for me. How is that a bad idea? Like, in theory, that should have worked out. But they just ignored the noise? For some reason, I guess?
Rebooting AI Control Center. Noah.
The AI is very inconsistent.
Oh,
Yeah, like, what? There's no way they didn't hear that. Oh well. We'll get past this eventually. Also, it's wild to me that they don't react to the sound of the door opening, like, at all. It's so loud. How could they not hear it? It's very inconsistent. What they can hear and what they can't hear. Even though it's loud AF. Oh, fuck. Maybe Stray. Maybe. Alright. We're just gonna bait them up here. Do the same thing we did before. In Death Island, there are amphibian lickers coming out from the water. Ooh. Amphibious lickers. Ooh. Maybe I should host the Resident Evil movies for next movie night. The animated ones. That might be fun. Get 'em. Yeah, they reacted that time. It worked. Yep. Should have worked the other time too. Before I had to reload my save. But for some reason it didn't. Now, what I'm wondering is, are the liquors capable of killing the zombies for me? Okay, we're probably gonna have to reload here. I don't know how to get past this, actually, unfortunately. Because you cannot shoot the zombies there, otherwise every single liquor in the area is going to come straight towards you. There's also not enough acid to deal with them all.
Threat level red in storage sector.
It's pretty tough.
Rebooting AI control center. Noah.
Oh, no.
Oh no. This might just be the whole stream. Just this section. Guess we could use Molotovs to take out the zombies. I don't think the liquors would notice me if I threw a Molotov. Heard me. Okay. Bye. Take care. Have fun goop lurking. Do this. All right. That worked out pretty well. It looked like it took out one of those liquors as well. Or at least hurt them really badly. We can hit this one too. Alright. Now I should be able to freely explore this part. I'm not too concerned about the liquors. It was the zombies, the two zombies here that were causing me the most trouble. Now, is it possible to stealth kill zombies as Grace with a knife? We're about to find out. There's one inside. Yep. There was one inside of this container here. Use the knife. Okay, reload. I guess we just don't open that one. This part sucks.
Threat level red in storage sector. Rebooting AI control center. Noah.
Oh no.
This is the whole stream. Just this one section. That's gonna be it. Guess we're not beating the game tonight. I only have one Molotov this time, so... yeah, good craft one. I'll clear it. Maybe. Oh. I need to Google something real quick. Can you stealth kill zombies with knife? Grace. Can you perform stealth takedowns? Oh, you cannot. You need to use the injector. Okay. No worries. Her knives are pretty useless. Yeah. It's good if you get grabbed, but other than that, they're not too useful. I guess you could also use them to finish off zombies that you knock down and to defend yourself, but generally they're kind of bad, yeah. Yeah. At least you get scrap from them. Okay. Now for the other zombie. There we go. Can't repair the durability for her knives either. Yeah. I feel like they didn't want the player to rely too heavily on using her knives in place of ammo. So they had to make better use of their ammo, essentially. But there is, I saw in the unlocks, there is a knife that you can get that does not break. So that's pretty helpful. That'll be helpful to have. There's another one in there too. No fucking way. Alright. We're just gonna move past this part then. Oh yeah, definitely. All right. As soon as this one moves out of the way. All right. Yay. I should just avoid opening those containers. Because once I get aggroed by a zombie, it's over. Yeah.
Threat level red in storage sector. Rebooting
It's all
ARK
good.
control center.
I know what I need to do now, at least. I'll get through this time.
Oh no.
I just feel like there's no way to get away from the lickers once they've detected you. Once they've heard you. Once they're on top of you. You can't run away because they'll hear you. You can't really sneak away either. It's just a lose-lose situation at that point. Alright, now we're good. Just don't open this one, don't open that one. Oh, I should go back to get the supplies. I'll do that real quick. Holy shit, there's so many liquors. Monka. Or, yep. I want to go back and grab that safe. It is so diabolical though that they would put the safe code out here. So once you get past, you manage to get past all the liquors, you have to go back all the way to the safe if you want to unlock it. That's so devious. But I'm gonna do it. Alright, here we go. Real risk versus reward situation. Let's hope it's worth it for whatever they have inside the safe. Alright, what was that code? $50, $60, $80. I think I did this wrong. Oh. Oh, I got an achievement. Open every safe in the story. Well, there you go. I'd call that worth. I'd say that was worth it. Achievement unlocked. Poggers. Let's go. All right. I'm really curious how speedrunners are getting past this part. I'd like to see some of the speedrun strategies. I'm not really much of a speedrunner, but I find it fascinating to watch sometimes. Seeing the glitches that they discover and use to get through as quickly as possible.
AI control center.
I finally made it through.
Reboot failure. No response. Containment protocol inactive. Containment protocol inactive.
And I get to save. Huge. I made it through, yeah, at last. And I went back and got the safe. There's a raccoon here. Where are they hiding? Ah, there you are. Come on. You're telling me this won't reach? You're kidding. No way. Alright. Just shoot. Oh. Right, I forgot about that. I think we'll be fine though. We're okay in here. Speedrunners in Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdom. You prefer to take your time. Me too. That's why I'm not a speedrunner. I like to take it slow. Can't reach with a knife. Yeah. A noblesse orb. One of the objects needed to enter the administration area within ARK. Alright. Okay, we got one of the 2 keys we need. Yeah, I'm not a speedrunner, but I like watching speedruns. I find them fascinating. Well, there we go. Okay. More liquors. Yeah, that is just evil. At least they don't come into the room. I mean, they can't really because it's a safe room. Any room with a save point is obviously going to be inaccessible to enemies. But still. Oh. We heard that. What are they doing? Move along already. You'd think if they can hear so well, if their hearing is so sensitive, they'd probably be able to hear your heartbeat, right? You're probably gonna hear this. Well, they're most definitely gonna hear it. I'm kind of scared. Fuck it. I think we're good. I want to break this one next, and then head back and grab whatever was inside of that box. Can't make them too OP, that's right. Alright, here we go. Are they coming over? Why are you coming this way? That's annoying. Shoo, shoo. He just want to tell me something. Yeah? Come on. Keep going. What? No. Go that way. Bro. How am I supposed to get around them? I guess I can go this way. Yeah, that works. Was there anything inside? Oh, there was. Okay. Just the bottle. Guess I'll use that bottle I found here so I can get past. Alright, we're through. Finally. There's nothing... There was no point in that. I thought there might be something over here. Yeah, I couldn't find it. It's not that important though. I'll just leave it. What the fuck? Holy shit. Oh no, sorry, man. I hope you're not wearing headphones. Oh, they're gonna hear me stepping on the glass, aren't they? No? Okay. Oh no! Poor men. Sorry about the loud noise. Okay. So now what? Where do we go from here? We'll go ahead and drop this one off. It woke you up? Well, that's good. Key reader. Still gotta find a key card. Getting cozy is not a bad thing, though. But if you're tired, please don't force yourself to stay up. Comfy horror gaming. Yeah. I think that's a pretty accurate description. Alright, let's see. We put away one of these. We can put these away. Put one away. Put away the scrap. What else? Do I have enough? I don't have enough blood to create a ink ribbon. Oh yeah, we found the raccoon. We raided into a raccoon. She was also playing Requiem, so we found the raccoon in Raccoon City. The raccoon VTuber. I'm gonna go silent for a sec. Alright, I'm feeling good. Feeling okay. It just kind of happens randomly sometimes. It feels like the right side of my face is getting shocked. It's really, really unpleasant. Whenever it happens, I just want to like remain completely still, not to aggravate it. Hi Kiwi, how are you? Ugh. Ugh. Okay. Okay, so where do we go next? Yeah, me too. It's unfortunately it's something that needs to be remedied by the dentist. So I'm just gonna have to wait until my appointment later this month, and hopefully they can sort things out for me then. I've got it's a dental problem. I've got an exposed root on my right side, and that's been causing a lot of pain. It's causing like the nerves to fire off randomly. It feels, yeah, it's really painful. Hmm. But I'm doing well. I'm doing really well. Thank you for asking. You're making a presentation? Oh, about what? Holy shit. This place is a mess. What the hell happened here? About orchids. Didn't know vanilla was an orchid. Me neither. Today I learned. Oh shit. I'm gonna run past this one. I do have a knife. Yeah, we learn something new every day. They also have a knife. Yep. I didn't notice until it was too late. This way. Here we go. I can make a Alright, let's use this, and then I can craft an ink ribbon. And then we'll do a save here.
Still have a ways to go.
Hang in there, Grace.
I wonder if Leon's made it yet.
Better a knife than a chainsaw. Too true. I'd rather not have to deal with more chainsaw zombies. Especially as Grace.
Whoa.
Oh. What the hell? Getting closer. Good to know, good to know.
Where have I seen this?
Something important. I'll explain later.
Is it related to the file? The disc that Alyssa gave her? Oh.
Shutting yourself away in a dark room like this is quite the change for you, after the life you've led.
Life takes unexpected turns, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
Looking back, do you feel that the choices you've made have contributed to your present
She finally got to
circumstances?
watch it.
Of course. What you sow, you reap. Isn't that the natural order?
So, tell me, Lord Spencer, what would you like the world to know?
Spencer. Yeah.
The truth.
I think he's one of the founders of Umbrella.
But a short break before we begin, Miss Ashcroft.
One
I'm
of the
not a
people
young man.
involved with the
I don't have
research
the
and
energy
creation
I
of
once
the
did.
T-virus. Now, after all this time... Is that it? Oh no, of course there's more.
Why would Mom hide this?
Here's one titled Grace. Oh. We back to Leon now?
Okay. Back in biz.
Alright.
You alright, Leon?
I am
Leon
now.
time. Mm-hmm.
Grace cleared the way for me.
That's not what I'm talking about. Your body can't take much more.
I'm gonna settle
Is this going to be the final section?
You just send us a chopper for immediate evacuation.
Is this the end? Feels like we're getting close now. I want to see what else Grace saw on those
Containment
tapes.
breach. System-wide
On the
surveillance
videos.
Failure detected.
In the liquor section. Okay.
Over there. Easy as pie.
Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, poor Leon. Leon is reaching his limit. Sudden bouts of coughing and blurred vision will cause him to falter. He can only wait for these effects to subside. Dang. Oh no. I don't think Leon has a lot of time left.
Ah, shit. You've got to be kidding me.
He's slowly succumbing to the virus. Our boy Leon. Hang in there, man. Surely we'll be able to find a cure, right? There's gotta be a cure. I'm gonna hold on to my credits for now. Whack.
Security threat detected. Elevator shutdown in effect. Override key authorization required.
Okay. Oh, gotta find an override. Do you think there's more of those umbrella troops around? Wonder.
This must be the room.
Oh, we're back here.
I'll take out as many of you fuckers as I can.
Nice. Hope you're not too late. Nope. There's still a little bit further to go. But we are rapidly approaching the end of the game. We are nearing the end. Got called to work last minute? Oh, no worries. You didn't miss out on a whole lot. Oh, no. Not now. There was one part I was stuck in for like an hour. Or what feels like close to an hour. Yeah, gotta keep pushing through, Leon. Just a little bit further. You can make it. You got this.
Haven't changed much. Yeah.
Oh. Bubbles, hello. Welcome. Thank you for the first time chat. Hope your night is going well. Leon deserves to retire and enjoy life. Yeah. He deserves a vacation after all this shit that he's been through. Oh, thank you for the 25 stream streak. I just saw that. Also, give me 1 second, guys. I need to do something real quick. Hang in there, Leon.
Hang in
The
there,
Kotsune.
Leon. The Kotsune is cheering you on and will bring you lots of goodies to gratitude to next dance.
Kotsune has Leon's back. Always. Speaking of which, I'm planning on playing Cult of the Lamb at least Saturday or Sunday, sometime over the weekend. Might just make it like a weekly thing. Yeah. So yeah, I might play some Cult of the Lamb tomorrow or Sunday. It's been a bit. It's been a little while. Also, hi Tetsuya. Oh, I'm glad you guys think so. happy to have you here, regardless of whether or not you're actively watching or if you just have me on the side and listen in. Appreciate you being here. Yeah, Kokiri. I've got the, of course I do. I mean, I don't have a choice. I'm listening to myself all the time. You mean to tell me you don't have the menorah in the background all the time? Okay, there's the override key. Commands, injector. With all this stuff that they're giving me, I feel like we're heading towards a boss. You're not your own supporter? How couldn't you be? Who wouldn't want to support the amazing men? I'm gonna take a pause. Sorry. All right. We're good. Thank you. Okay, so where do we take this override key to again? Where did that go? Control panel? No painkillers, but they did give me antibiotics. But that's for something else. I do have some ibuprofen I could take if it gets really bad, but it hasn't gotten to that point yet. If I need to, I do have something I can take. Hey, Strider. Yeah, Leon. Leon Kennedy. At least there's ibuprofen, yeah. I'll take it if I need it. I'm okay for now. Hello, Strider. How's it going? Okay. Where do I need to go? Is it over there? Oh, I think this is the way. Here we go. Take that. It'd be really nice to have some grenades. Oh shit. Get it together. Here, take that. Oh shit. They're all stacked together. Nice.
Not done
there we
yet.
go. Oh shit. Run, Leon, run. All right. Got him. Ooh. That was nuts. Thought the grenade would have taken them all out. Apparently not. Alright. Elevator's coming.
Warning, autoclave compromised. Pod lockdown unavailable. Memory corrupt. Self-repair functionality offline.
What?
Aerosol monitor warning. Pod lockdown unavailable.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Let's get this over with.
Shit. How did that miss? Pew, pew, pew.
The elevator will arrive shortly.
Yeah, apparently.
The elevator has arrived.
Alright. Let's pick up this ammo before we move on.
I can't waste any more time here.
Mm-hmm. Here we go. Hang in there, Leon. Just a little further. You can do it.
Almost sure.
Keep it together. It's not gonna last much longer. Come on, man. Come on. Don't give up. I hate to see him like this.
Yeah.
almost there. Ooh. Here we go. No more missions. Yeah. It's time to retire. If he makes it through this, I think he's earned it. He deserves a nice, peaceful, quiet life. Oh, back to Grace.
What kind of legacy do you want to leave behind?
My research opened Pandora's box, unleashing disaster upon the world.
Except Elpis, the goddess of hope? Or so the myth goes.
A blind hope.
What do you mean?
Humans cannot predict when death will come for them. This is why they have hope. I was wrong, and I am plagued by guilt. Happiness cannot be achieved at the expense of others. I think that's enough for today.
Why did you accept my request for an interview?
Huh? He's got a baby.
Is that one of your subjects?
Of course not.
Test subject. No?
She was alone in the world.
An orphan?
I took her in to make amends.
Is she
Perfectly normal.
Don't tell me that's
an
Grace.
average child needing a home. She is my hope.
Aww.
Aren't you beautiful?
Grace is the title of the clip. Yep.
Oh, okay.
So he's entrusting his hopes and dreams on her.
What's her name?
Grace.
Grace.
There it is.
Is there anything else you'd like to tell me?
I've said my piece. I only hope it serves as a requiem for those
Title
who
drop.
have passed.
Leon. Leon.
Oh God. He's dying. No. He needs help.
Oh, I need to hurry.
Yeah. Go save Leon. Not that way. Get through here. Ooh. Just catch up. Oh. So Spencer had like a completely looking normal house within this facility. Huh. It's just ketchup.
Finally, my chance to do something.
There he is. We're here for you. We got you, buddy.
Oh, Leon! Leon! Oh no. Hey, it's me. It's Grace. Oh, please wake up. Come on. Wake up, wake up. Hey.
Hey, you. I'm just resting my eyes.
You okay? Oh, let me help you.
Let's do this.
He even had a mansion in one? Oh.
I don't know the password.
It's okay. Soon left it wide open for us. Any wrong code will do. It'll destroy Opus.
Let's try.
But do we
Grace,
want to
whatever it
destroy
takes.
Alpus?
I can buy you some time.
Isn't Alpus the hope that Spencer had for the world?
No, I have an idea.
I don't-
trust you.
I'm not sure if it's a bad
trust
thing
you.
anymore. Maybe Gideon and Zeno were mistaken.
Prodigal daughter returns.
I know the password.
Fulfill your destiny, and all will be forgiven.
Oh, only if you let Leon live.
Very well.
Basically, Spencer was about to meet his end and regretted the state of his research for Alpus, but the only thing he cared about was Grace, which was his only hope before he died. But what exactly is it? I have a choice here. Well, I don't think destroying it is what Spencer would have wanted. It was his dream, it was his hope, which he entrusted to Grace. But we don't know what it is either. I mean, he did create the T-virus. Wait, I don't know if it's a good or bad thing, but I'm gonna say destroying it is not the right thing to do. We'll see what happens if we release it.
Please know that you are my hope.
She is my hope.
Does this matter though? Like
The
what we choose
blind
here?
hope.
Okay.
Confirm. Yes.
This is it.
All right. There we go. Doesn't seem like anything happened yet. Oh? Gideon's here.
What are you doing, Grace?
Spencer regretted what he did. He...
Done.
promised.
Yes, that I would let him
It's a serum. That's not good. That can't be good.
Mr. Kennedy, I give you the honor of experience.
I don't think he's a man of his word.
Firsthand.
I'm not sure Elpis is what you think it is. There's nothing special about me. I was never any key. Spencer wanted to make amends.
Yeah, she was just a regular person. Just a regular kid
What is
who had
it?
lost her family.
Tell me.
She wasn't key to anything.
My powers.
Elpis is Spencer's atonement. It's an antiviral.
Oh. What? Okay, I see.
Amazing. I am humbled by my master's
Just a
genius.
normal girl.
Your research.
There was nothing special
wrong.
about her or her blood.
Elpis wasn't a weapon. There was never a key.
Spencer's paper was obviously incomplete. There was no connection between Grace and Emily.
Do you know how much time and money I wasted on this?
Don't you see the genius?
It's a cure.
Without
That's
this,
just what we
all
needed.
virus-based weapons are useless. The world order
We can save
will be
Leon
thrown
with
into
this.
chaos.
We wanted a weapon.
Instead, Spencer gave us anarchy. I will carry his torch and bring his vision to life.
You. You and Spencer were a means to an end.
Yet he outwitted you all.
Spencer defied us and paid the price with his life. He was nothing.
You are nothing but an imitation.
It's over, Victor.
Ouch. Those
The
words
connection
bite.
is done with you.
Oh shit.
We can't let him have it.
No way. Grace. What? Xeno's fucking dead.
Staggering.
It's a cure.
No way. It's working.
Leon, it's working. Wake up.
Now. Let it all come down.
Oh, he wants to destroy it. He wants to destroy the cure. Oh.
Grace, what happened?
Well, obviously we can't let him do that. Can't let that happen.
It's gonna go! Grab something!
Whoa. I would have broken my legs.
Grace. Grace!
He's as good as new. All that fatigue, all that pain just disappeared. Oh, here we go.
lives through me. I will see that it is brought to fruition.
And how many more will have to die for that vision?
It seems your skills have diminished. Sacrifices must be made! In the grand scheme, a few lives.
Not to me. I swore that I'd always protect those lives.
Thank you. I think it's so cool that they added a parry mechanic in a Resident Evil game. I really like it. Oh shit.
Seems you're reaching your limit.
He's got a rocket launcher. What the fuck? Oh. Wait. I kind of walked right into it.
I will not let those ideas win.
Electricity here.
Give it up.
Be careful. Uh-oh. Not this. Oh, we got him?
It's over.
Do it. Do it, Leon. Hey, two. Take your shot. I hope you don't mind spoilers. We're at the end of the game.
Good riddance.
If that's something you're concerned about, definitely consider looking away. Oh shit. Of course, the final boss is gonna be a giant
Nemesis.
Hold on. Sorry, getting pain again. Okay. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed the stream still. And if you don't mind spoilers, then
So
it's okay.
damn nice.
It's like the final boss is always going to be a giant infected. This is pretty bad. We've got no healing left. this is really bad. Get him next time. Oh, they gave you a checkpoint. Okay. No need to go through the first phase again. Oh. No! Okay. Gideon equals Nemesis. Tyrant is Mr. X, yeah. Nar. Yeah, I've got no heals, so I cannot afford to make any mistakes here. Damn. Alright, yeah. We have to parry everything in order to survive. I can survive 2 hits at most. I mean, it's gonna be like this, right? So better get used to it now. Thank you for gifting a sub to Kokiri. Thank you, thank you. Oh, fuck, dude. This is rough. All right. I got this, though. I got this. a Souls-like player. I can do this. The same. Ammo's a bit of a problem, though. Okay. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, let's go. Get him, Leon. Get him. Yeah, Kokiri, enjoy the emotes, sub badge, and the after Yui for the month. Wait, is that it? No way, don't tell me. No shot. We did it. Let's go.
This time, you ain't getting back up.
Yeah, you tell him. Let's fucking go. All right. R.I.P. Gideon.
Grace, where are you? Sherry. Sherry, come in. Sherry. Shit. Grace! Grace, hang on. Grace. Grace.
All right. We did it.
We need to get you out of here.
Yes.
Come on. Let's get you out.
We gotta get out of here, though. Oh, please, it's coming down. I don't know what he did, but the entire facility is collapsing.
There's no way out, is there?
Took me about 3 hours, yeah. I did spend a long time getting through those liquors, though. Ikuzo!
I'm not gonna leave your side.
Choo-choo time. Oh yeah, we got a
right here with you.
hype train. Stray, thank you for gifting a sub to Luki. Thank you.
I guess this is it then.
What? No way. There's no way it's gonna like. Yeah, I didn't think so. Oh. Friendlies? They look like Chris's people.
Leon S. Kennedy? Depends who's asking. Alpha, can you read me, sir?
It's gotta be.
Yeah, they're safe. I got it.
Thank you for gifting a sub to Kiwiman. Thank you.
Mr. Kennedy, I have a message from Captain Redfield.
Oh, yep. I called it. Of course. Okay. BSAA agents. Yep. We're saved. But since the facility collapsed, what happened to the rest of the vaccines? I hope they'll remain intact. So Leon and everyone else can distribute them to the survivors that need the antiviral.
Action in no time.
Thank you, Leon.
Would have been a lot smoother.
Sherry
if
needs
Chris hadn't been
one.
so late to
Claire
the
needs
party.
one. Chris needs one. Jill. Anyone else that was
Where
there?
is Chris anyway?
No idea.
All the survivors.
I'm sure I'll run into him at some point.
What the heck? Min! Thank you for
Invite
gifting
back.
5 subs. Thank you so much for your generosity.
It's over then.
Yeah. Hope this really was our last hope.
If you got gifted a sub, please be sure to thank
Umbrella never left
Minora.
us any more nasty surprises.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I wish we could have saved Emily.
I wish we could have saved Emily too.
I didn't hit any of her vitals. She
What?
could still be alive.
You mean there's hope? What? No way.
Maybe we can save her.
Thank you, Anon. Thank you for gifting a sub to Hikaru. I'd love if Emily survived. Accidentally pressed anonymous. No worries. Thank you, Dewey.
Bioweapons lab located here in the ruins of Raccoon City. The origin point for the worldwide spread of bioorganic weapons. This illegal facility appears to have been in operation for decades.
Sources say that the extension of the lockdown and the recent series of mysterious deaths may be related to
We
tragic
should be able to
events in
save her.
Raccoon City
Yeah.
28 years ago.
Evidence seized in Raccoon City has led the Justice Department to reopen its investigation into Oswald Spencer and the long-defunct Umbrella Corporation.
He definitely did. I
The
mean,
government deliberately drove Umbrella
Yeah.
into bankruptcy.
it's a bit of a
Ashcroft is credited with cracking the Oswald Spencer story.
what is it called? A Deus Ex
Theorists are
Machina?
already claiming that she was killed in a cover-up.
But
and that
I'm
the
okay with it.
organization
If Emily
responsible
gets
is
to
secretly
survive.
controlling our government.
Tonight, in a speech from the Oval Office, the president is expected to reject allegations of any government involvement since the Raccoon City incident.
There she is. Emily deserves a good life too. That's it? Oh shit. Alright. What an amazing game. I'm probably gonna start my second playthrough after the stream tonight. But yeah, there we go. We finished Requiem for the first time. I really enjoyed it. I think I still might place Village a bit higher on my tier list, but this was really fun. Yeah, do you think there is an after credits scene? I wonder what kind of DLC we're going to be getting. Where does the story go from here? There is? Okay. Let it play out then. I'm gonna grab some water. I'll be right back. But yeah, thank you for joining me on my Requiem playthrough. Up next will be an Insanity run. I'll be doing an Insanity playthrough sometime starting next week. GG's though. Oh yeah, definitely Kokiri. The best of both worlds. Great horror, great action. Very good balance of the two. Alright. Anyway, I will be right back. Oh, there's no wonder whether or not there will be DLC. I'm just curious what it will involve.
Fighting the darkness holding me, dragging me to the ground, facing the pain that's controlling me. I won't let it keep me down. I'll make it through to the other side. Scarred hands, hard and warm, warmth of a new dawn on my face. I'll never let it go again.
Alright. Thank you for the hype train. Let's see what emote I get. Is there a proper cure for Las Plagas? Yes, there is. Because Leon had it, right? And he was cured. Both Leon and what's her name? The president of the daughter of the president? They were both infected, right? But they were cured. Oh, that's cute. Kitty hype. I like that. Anyway. Oh, Ashley. Okay. That's right. Yeah, Ashley. Okay. Can we fast forward these? Back to the FBI headquarters.
And Sherry's okay? Oh, good. I'm so glad. Emily, yeah, she's doing great.
Oh, I'm so happy.
I'm actually teaching her how to read.
Grace. Grace.
So just like Grace was Spencer's hope.
Where's that report?
Emily became
Sorry.
Grace's hope.
Leon, gotta go. Catch up soon.
Aww. That's sweet. Yeah, her vision was restored. Oh? What's going on here?
Remaining PSAA forces have been neutralized.
Uh-oh.
Retrieving the objective before they send in the wolves.
There's still some troopers that are loyal to Umbrella. Alright. GG's. It took me nearly 13 hours to complete. We did it. Alright. New mode. I unlocked Insanity. Got some new content. Content added. Following costumes and weapon skins were added. Jackets for Grace and Leon. Tactical light. For the alligator snapper. Okay. And I completed several challenges.
Good job.
Alright. Alright, you guys. That will be where I'll be ending for tonight, though. That will be the end for now. Stretch break. Yes, I will certainly be taking one. Just as I prepare to raid out. Thank you all so much for joining me tonight. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for the company. We're going to be looking for someone to raid out for now, though. I don't know what I'll be doing tomorrow. I might just take the night off. We shall see. Thanks for coming by. Yeah, I pressed the wrong hotkey. What's going on? Thanks so much for coming by, everyone. Let's see who we can raid out to tonight. Let's see. So, let me go ahead and move over here. On-screen celebration? What is that? I can't see it. Alright, who shall we raid tonight? Just like last night, I want to try and find someone that's also playing Requiem. So let's go down the list. Let's see who's on. I'm looking. Still looking, still trying to decide. Thanks for waiting. Okay, I think we can raid into Otako. They also completed their first playthrough of 9 tonight. I think they're starting their New Game Plus run. So let's go say hi to Otako. Otako's super nice. Very fun, very chaotic. Let's go say hi to Otako. Be sure to copy the raid message before we head out. And of course, if you would like to join the Discord, feel free to do so. Also check out my socials. Alright, everyone. Have a good night. I don't know if I'll be streaming tomorrow, but I'll let you guys know. Take care for now. Have a good night. I'll see you next time. Let's go. Good night, everyone. Bye-bye for now. Take care. Bye, guys.